What benefits you will get when you start to use Moringa leaves powder. It is miracle tree and offers exceptional medicinal properties like antifungal, antiviral, and antidepressant. Moringa has been used to range from health and beauty to help prevent and cure diseases. In today's video, I'll share the amazing benefits of Moringa powder, which can improve your health in many different ways. Be sure to watch until the end, because there may be a few benefits you've probably never heard of before. If you are ready, let's get started. Moringa plant is easily found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. It's commonly known as drumsticks plant, horseradish tree, or benoil tree. Its scientific name is Moringa oleifera. It is also growing in many other subtropical areas around the world. Every part of the Moringa tree is edible like leaves, pods, roots, bark, flowers, seeds, and fruits. It is used as a natural medicine for thousands of years and has many health benefits too. It has been used for generations in Eastern countries to treat and prevent various diseases. It contains important vitamins A, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Let's check out a few amazing health benefits of Moringa powder. Number 1. Protecting skin and hair. Moringa is one of the best remedies for curing skin infections and sores. It is beneficial for protecting hair against free radicals and keeps it clean and healthy. It also contains protein, which means it is helpful in protecting skin cells from damage. Moringa powder also contains hydrating and detoxifying elements, which also boost the skin and hair. Number 2. Treating edema. Moringa is very useful for suppressing inflammatory enzymes and proteins in the body. An edema fluid builds up in specific tissues in the body, which is a painful condition. The anti-inflammatory properties of Moringa may be effective in preventing edema from developing. Number 3. Fight against bacterial diseases. Moringa powder helps to fight against bacterial diseases. This is due to its antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties that fight infection caused by various bacteria like Salmonella, Rhizopus, and E. coli. Number 4. It reduces cholesterol levels. People who have a high cholesterol problem can use Moringa leaves powder, which contains powerful antioxidants that help to prevent further plaque buildup within the arteries. It has also been found to maintain a healthy heart. Combine this with regular exercise to clear your arteries and maintain a healthy heart. Number 5. Manage diabetes. Moringa powder helps to reduce the amount of glucose in the blood, as well as sugar and protein in the urine. This improved the hemoglobin levels and overall protein content in those tested. It also reduces lipid and regulates oxidative stress in diabetic patients effectively. Number 6. Helps to protect the liver. Moringa leaves and flowers are rich sources of a good amount of polyphenols that protects the liver against oxidation, damage, and toxicity. It can reduce liver damage and fibrosis and reverse oxidation in the liver. Number 7. Help to treat asthma. Moringa powder may help reduce the severity of some asthma attacks and protect against bronchial constrictions. It has also been shown to assist with better lung function and breathing overall. Number 8. It may improve digestion. Moringa leaf powder contains about 30% fiber, most of it insoluble, that you not only need for digestion, but that may also reduce your risk of disease. Moringa is a natural antibiotic and antibacterial, and it may help inhibit the growth of various pathogens that can cause digestive upset. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties have been shown to help with digestive disorders, like colitis. Number 9. It can prevent cancer. Moringa powder contains properties that might help prevent cancer from developing. It also contains niacinamide, which is a compound that suppresses the development of cancer cells. Number 10. Improving eye health. As Moringa powder rich in antioxidant levels, which improving eyesight. It may stop the dilation of retinal vessels, which is good for eye. It prevents the thickening of capillary membranes and inhibit retinal dysfunction. These are amazing health benefits of using Moringa powder. If you wish to get the benefits from Moringa, then you should use the fresh leaves, cooked, or in dried form. You can also choose Moringa leaves powder. Now let me know, have you ever tried Moringa in any form before? Write in the comments section. If you like this information, please hit the thumbs up button below the video. You can share this video with your friends and family. If you want to see more videos from us, then please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for upcoming video updates. Stay fit. And thanks for watching this video.